Good morning, students. Today we start chapter 10, Equilibrium of a firm. The meaning of equilibrium of a firm means to maximize the profit and reduces the loss. In this chapter, we studied about to calculate profit. Firm must have knowledge about revenue and cost conditions. Total revenue means the total amount of money that a firm receives from the sale of its products. The difference between total cost and total revenue is either profit or loss. जो डिफरेंस होता है टोटल कॉस्ट और टोटल रेवेन्यू का, उससे पता चलता है किसी फर्म को प्रॉफिट हुआ है या लॉस हुआ है. इफ़ टोटल रेवेन्यू ग्रेटर देन टोटल कॉस्ट, अगर टी आर ग्रेटर होता है टी सी से, देन द फर्म इज रिपिंग प्रॉफिट. एंड ऑन द अदर साइड, इफ़ टी आर लोअर देन टी सी, देन द फर्म रिसीव्स लॉस. नाउ वी स्टार्ट firm equilibrium by TR and TC method with the help of this graph. In this figure we have taken the units of output on x axis and TR, TC and profit on y axis. Total revenue curve starts from 0. It means that if output is 0, then TR will also be 0. As output increases, TR will also increases and TR curve rises upward towards the right. TC curve starts from point C. Here OC is fixed cost. If output is 0, then the firm has to bear OC cost. As given in this figure, TC, TR and OC curve. Next, due to difference between TR and TC, total profit EF is generated. Total profit curve has been derived by the difference of TR and TC. जो total profit curve है वो TR और TC curve के difference से generate होता है. Initially up to OK output, TC greater than TR. TC अगर बड़ा है TR से, इसका मतलब है कि फर्म जो है लॉस फेस कर रही है. Total profit curve is in negative profit zone. At point M, where TR equals to TC, point M पे TR और TC बराबर हैं, this point is known as break even point. When output is between point K and L, K और L के बीच में जो output given है, then TR greater than TC. TR जो है यहाँ पे बड़ा है TC से, it means firm faces the profit. Between point K and Q, the difference between distance of TR and TC is increasing. It simply means total profit is increasing at an increasing rate. Total profit जो है लगातार बढ़ता जा रहा है increasing rate पे. But the difference between TR is decreasing and profit is also diminishing. This is clear from declining TP curve. At point N again, N point पे दोबारा TR equals to TC. TR और TC समान है, so N point is also known as break even point. If firm continues production after OL point, then TC is increasing and TR is diminishing. TC जो है बढ़ेगा, TR कम होगा, so it means firm faces loss. So this graph shows the ratio of profit and loss of a firm. It is clear that equilibrium output is OQ and the difference between distance TR and TC is maximum. In the form of curve, the distance between TR and TC curve is maximum. That is the reason that derived from curve as its highest point, quantity of profit SQ is maximum. So this is the short description of firm's equilibrium by TR and TC method. So this graph is very important and these are some points which shows the relationship between TR and TC curve. Okay, thank you.